Mom, why should we always say Bismillah?
Because when you say Bismillah, Allah is with you and put barakah in all what you do.
Bismillah, 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 au nom d'Allah. Bismillah, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. I wake up every morning, say God is the unique. I'm hungry, I wash my hands, but before say Bismillah.
Children, today we will be learning about parts of a leaf. Parts of a leaf. First of all, tell me why leaves are green in color? Leaves are green in color because they have a pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Starting with the parts of a leaf, we will start with the apex. This is the tip of the leaf, right? You can see here, this is the tip of the leaf, right? From the tip, you can see a line going downwards. This is called the mid vein. It's a vein and the name is mid vein. Here you can see again this line going in the center. So this is also called midrib or the mid vein. There are some other veins attached to mid vein. They go sideways. They are called secondary veins. Secondary veins. Now the function of veins is to provide food and water to all the parts of the leaf. In between the secondary veins, if you look very carefully, you will find some more veins. They are called netted veins. Netted veins. Now, talking about the blade of the leaf. This flat part is called the blade of the leaf. This whole part is called blade of the leaf. The main function of this is to trap sunlight and perform photosynthesis. Right? To trap sunlight and perform photosynthesis. Now, next we have is the margin. Now, this is called the margin. This line. This is called the margin. The outer surface. Sideways. Next we have is the petiole. Petiole. What is petiole? It is a stalk which attaches the leaf blade with the stem. There goes a stem of the plant. So petiole attaches. This is the petiole. See here carefully. This is the petiole. Now this is the real petiole, you can see. So this attaches the leaf blade with the stem of the plant, right? Now we see sometimes that there are some small things where the petiole and the stem joins. This is called stipule. Stipule. They are two small flaps that grows at the base of the petiole of some plants. In some plants, stipules grow quickly. And what is the function of stipule? They protect the leaf when it is young, right? And when the leaf grows, they falls down, right? Now, this is called the base of the leaf. Base. The lower part of the leaf is called the base of the leaf. Now, next we have is the stomata. If I'll turn the leaf, see, if I'll turn the leaf, there will be some small tiny pores. Here, there will be some small tiny pores. These pores are called stomata. Stomata. What they do? They inhale carbon dioxide and they exhale oxygen and water vapor. Right? So, let me repeat all the parts of the leaf. This is the apex or the tip of the leaf. This is called, this line, this vein is called midrib or the mid vein, right? This is called the margin of the leaf. Margin of the leaf. Now, next we have blade or lamina. The whole flat part of the leaf is called lamina or the blade. Then we have this base of the leaf. The lower portion is called the base of the leaf. Then we have a stalk which attaches the leaf blade with the stem of the plant. This is called petiole. And sometimes when you see small flap-like thing growing at the point where petiole and stem meets, they are called stipules. Stipules. And if you turn the leaf, you will find stomata. Stomata is so tiny that in most of the plants you can't see with the naked eyes. Right? So hope you have learned parts of a leaf.